All right, so I want to talk to you guys very specifically about where I'm looking at right now for Dogecoin for a potential breakout on an exact price level of if it breaks above this point, where can the Dogecoin price actually go? Because in this bull market, as you've seen me talk about, I do believe that Dogecoin could go to $2 easily. And now with the news of an ETF potentially coming for Doge, we've talked about a $5 Dogecoin. And yes, that could be achievable if we really get a Dogecoin ETF approved. But in the short term, Dogecoin holders, you're holding on right now. You're wondering what comes next. Well, we're going to talk about that in this quick Dogecoin update. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Do me a favor and smash that like button on your way in. Subscribe to this channel for more content, and let's take a look at the Dogecoin chart, which is holding very, very nicely right now in its price level. This is Doge versus the dollar right now. And if I bring down these daily candles, and here's kind of our resistance, we are right now waiting. And what I'm going to say about Doge is by February 14th, at least, we will get a breakout. Why am I saying February 14th? Let me undo this little logo bar right here. And if you can just see down here, about February 14th, actually February 15th, 16th, that's right at the peak of this point. If you can see down at the bottom of the screen right here, the date, okay? So we've got a little bit of time. This is just a short, 17, 18 days away. The reality of the situation, guys, is that I think that before Dogecoin gets to this point, it's going to make a decision of whether it goes up or down. There is a chance that it goes down. But if you take a look at what's happening with crypto right now and you understand the news happening in the broader crypto market, things are headed upward. You just had President Trump sign an executive order regarding beginning some pro-crypto regulations in the United States and getting together some policies to plan for a strategic reserve for crypto assets, broadly speaking. Imagine if Dogecoin is one of these considerations. This could be a bullish thing for Doge as well. But all these things put together, crypto's looking bullish. We've got a very nice, beautiful kind of W shape going on right now here for Bitcoin. And historically, this could be a very bullish moment. These W shapes are very, very bullish. You've got one also for our total market cap as well, getting closer and closer to a new all-time high. If this breaks out to the upside, which I do think that it might, we're probably going to be looking at Dogecoin breaking through the top of this range here. Can it come down to the downside? Well, if we take a peek here at what Bitcoin's got going on, if Bitcoin slips back down and we come back down to the low 90s or something like that, which at this point, it's kind of looking unlikely, guys. We're looking good. We're looking pretty bullish. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin's holding up really well right now. I don't think we're going to come down to the downside, but if Bitcoin did come down to the downside, that's the world where Dogecoin could break down below this pattern. For Doge right now, we're holding on to the bottom of this channel. Very nice on this wedge. Again, my lows are going to be 34 cents is going to be if we break below 34 cents. And sure, we could wick a little bit lower. Maybe we wick at worst down to like 32 cents. Just as we've kind of seen this thing wick a little bit lower than this level before, but it's generally holding above this level. If we see it come down a little more, I wouldn't be surprised, but I do expect us generally to maintain some kind of floor here on this range. And so what we could see in these next 15 days for Dogecoin is something like this. However, I don't think we're going to have to wait this entire period of time to the end of this wedge for a breakout. I think at any moment, especially with a move from the broader crypto market, now that we have these pro-crypto policies, we could get a breakout for Doge. Where's the point of breakout? Well, the point of breakout, my friends, is at about 40 cents. You could see it potentially wake up to 41 or 42 cents like we've seen here, but about 40 cents. If we see a daily candle close above the 40-cent level for Doge, we could easily see Dogecoin get a very large move to the upside. How large? Well, the answer, my friends, is quite simple. It's the mouth of the wedge from the point of breakout, about to 84 cents. That's a new all-time high for Dogecoin. And if we really do blast up there, guys, our total market cap will be surging at that point. Bitcoin will be surging at that point. I believe that, this is the chart for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be surging at that point. Bitcoin dominance, I believe, would eventually likely start coming down. And easily we could see Dogecoin exploding much, much higher than that. Taking a look at Dogecoin versus Bitcoin right now, we are looking at a beautiful floor here for Doge as well. I would like to see it actually hang on here and stop going down. But if it did want to come test down to this line one more time, I could see a world where Bitcoin dominance rallies a little bit and Dogecoin slips versus Bitcoin, maybe another 10%. Why does that make sense to me? Because Bitcoin dominance could easily come back up to these levels, rally another 2 or 3%. Dogecoin could slip a little bit more in its US dollar price and versus Bitcoin, and coming down another 10% wouldn't really be that shocking to me versus Bitcoin. That would correspond to, again, that maybe would be our scam wick down to like this 31, 32 cent level. There you go. There's your 9% move for Doge to the downside. We could see something like that, guys. That's kind of my worst case scenario downside right now, as long as our total market cap for crypto and Bitcoin holds up. But my point of breakout is 40 cents. And so what does this mean for traders? Well, right now, honestly, with low leverage, probably a decent long opportunity. Maybe perhaps you want to wait for it to be at 33 cents, 34 cents. Maybe you want to wait if you get lucky and can catch it on a 32-cent dip. Maybe you're going to get lucky. You could ride it up to this 40-cent level. At that point, this would be your take profit zone. If it does break through this level, I wouldn't expect it to just absolutely break through. I would expect some kind of like bullish retest moment where you'd see it break through and have a bullish retest, kind of like you're seeing with the Dogecoin versus Bitcoin chart, right? Dogecoin versus Bitcoin broke through right here and has a bullish retest, and then continuation to the upside is what we're inevitably waiting for. So that's kind of my mindset with Dogecoin right now. I do believe that in 2025, we're going to have a massive bull market for it. It is absolutely crazy to think how amazing the opportunity here is in this crypto space. Recognizing that Dogecoin's currently ranked number 8 at a $52 billion market cap. Previously, this thing had an all-time high of about $88 billion. There's so much trading possibilities for Doge. There's so much upside, in my opinion. Again, I think $2 is going to be a slam dunk, but I wanted to give you guys some key trading zones that I was looking at. And if you want to trade Dogecoin for yourself, guys, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link in the comment section down below. Right now, it's sitting at 35 cents. Again, I'm looking at like 40 cents for our breakout zone. If you're taking along here, 40 cents would be that take profit area. Maybe 39 and change would be your take profit area. And you could potentially even open up a short there if you think it's going to reject. Trading can be risky though, guys. Be careful, use low risk, take your profits. As always, set your stop losses. But if you do sign up for Blowfin or you want to, you could use our link. You get up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using our link and a 15% discount on trading fees for life. If you're looking for a place to buy Dogecoin that's more of a major exchange where you can go easily from your bank into crypto, then you can actually sign up for crypto.com as well. We have an affiliate link for you down below as well, which is pretty neat if you haven't done that one already as well. That's all I have in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, HODL, my friends, and of course, I will see you in the next one. I have 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.